Alright. You got James on a good fish here.
Now the score is 2-0. I will tell you that. But Phil's 2 fish he's had this morning weren't 10 inches between 2 of them. Couldn't have been more than 10 inches.
He's so full of shit.
This fish here is going to be a nice keep.
This will be a nice fish.
But I can't.
He's got to get it in the boat though first.
It won't matter. It won't matter with him. It won't matter to him because he'll catch right back up.
Yeah, rod bidding.
It's a good fish, bro.
I'm gonna kind of pan back over here and ease over, grab the net for you.
Yeah, you can just sit right there. I'll get it. So you can get that fish in the water.
You can see the line moving.
Stick and drag. There he is.
That's a good fish. Oh yeah. I'm gonna go back towards the back end of the boat here so we can get a good.
You don't want to come in the boat, I'll tell you that. Come on, Big Daddy.
All right. Nice. Trying to get him up here to see if we can get a good tail swirl for this. Nice fish.
Oh yeah.
See the tail swirl, nice. Oh, that's a nice fish. Let me come over here and help you with this.
I got it.
You got it?
Yeah, you just keep eye on that fish with that camera so everybody can see proof of this.
Oh yeah. Nice slot red. Very good. Awesome fish. Nice job, James.
Let me hold him up for the camera so everybody can see who's got this fish. There we go. That's what we're here for, everybody, right there.
Right on, brother.
Hey, baby.
That fish is gonna die.
That fish is not gonna die.
You just kissed it, man. You're gonna kill the fish.
Yes, sir. Thank you very much.
Alright, here we got James on another fish. I had to actually get up there and hand him the rod in order for him to reel this fish in.
Well, y'all seen enough video. Y'all know he can't throw one of these. He's got to have a spinner reel, like a child. He can't throw a level line.
Yeah, we'll see a video here shortly. Showed that differently. I don't think it's gonna matter. He's gonna get spanked.
Fish here, I'll tell you that.
Man, a damn stingray. What the hell is this?
You don't see no stingray I promise you that. See the water just a second. There he goes, yeah.
What we got here? Checking a little water shot here. See if we can get him back up. Give a little tail swirl.
This one loaded with spots too.
Look at there.
This one
Nice fish.
spot tournament here.
Sweet.
Slot fish with lots of spots. Spot tournament.
Man, look at the spots on that thing.
Yeah.
Mr. Spot Tournament, eat your heart
Look at
out.
all those spots, yeah. 1, 2, 3,
Good
4,
God.
5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. Not too bad.
That's a good one.
Yeah.
That fish is gonna die.
That fish is gonna die.